Hello and welcome to Nowhere. My name is Trish and I am the creator behind Nowhere Novelties. You know how there's a saying, Christmas in July? Well, what about summertime at Christmas time? Because it is cold here in Maryland and I am missing the beach. Inspired by that beach, today I am creating a beach style tumbler with Powerwash method waves and a cute decal. I use a lot of glitter colors in this one, but please do not feel obligated to use so many glitters. You can create a beautiful beach cup with whatever glitters you have in your inventory. If you're ready to see this come together, let's strap in and shoot for the stars. I have a 20-ounce skinny straight here that is base painted with a few colors from Rustoleum. I'm also going to show off all of the glitter colors here. I'm not kidding when I tell you it's a lot. Basically, with the glitter colors here, I try to incorporate a chunky with a fine glitter in each of the colors. That really adds a lot of depth and dimension to the entire beach scene. I highly recommend using the epoxy method because you need a lot of working time working with all of these glitters. So the very first color is called Captivate. It's from the glitter grind. I know it looks gold, but it is actually pretty translucent and it is very opalescent. It shifts a lot. Now I'm going in with Grace. This is from Advancing Aiden, and this is a chunky light blue. Then I'll be adding Alexandrite, also from the glitter grind, into the dark blue at the top. This chunky glitter shifts from blue to purple. This next color is called Sea Glass and it's from Glitter Heart Company, and I like to shake this right at the line where the sand transitions into the sky because it gives a really cool sea foam effect. This color is Golden Shores from Peachy Olive Glitters. I decided to pinch apply this color because I didn't want it to completely cover up the Captivate that was underneath, and this glitter for whatever reason can really get full coverage. So I just pinched it and I liked the depth that you got, seeing some of the spray paint shine through and that Captivate glitter as well. Now the person that this cup is for did request a lot of teal. So the next color I'm going in with is Aqua Marine from Glitter Heart Company, and I am kind of filling in the gaps over that sea glass chunky glitter. And now this is Maui from Peachy Olive Glitters, and this light blue will fill in everything on the lighter parts of the sky. Next, I'm bringing out another teal. It is Caribbean Coast from Glitter Heart Company, and I'm using that as a transition shade at the dark night sky or the dark beach sky to the light blue sky, and letting it drop down into that light blue as well. For the darkest blue here, I'm using two shades. The first one is Bora Bora. This is from Peachy Olive Glitters, and that will be the transition shade out of the teal. And I am ending at the very top with Blue Jeans from Glitter Heart Company. At this point, you're going to epoxy over your glitter to get it as smooth as you can. And then we can go in with our power wash method. You guys have seen me do this multiple times in the past. So to create this sea foam at the transition point where the sand or the gold meets that sea glass color, that greenish, you're going to do two really thick coats of the foam, the soap, and then spritz just a little bit where that transition is. So that's where you're going to spray paint. That's it. You can see it's going to look, very foamy. So dunk your cup And then we're going to clean it up. So you can see all of this here. There's spray paint everywhere, but because this cup is epoxied, we can go in with some alcohol and just take all of that overspray right off where you don't want it. You can also kind of buffer the edges of the waves, if you want to call them that, so that it doesn't look like it doesn't stop as harshly. If you have any really stubborn bits, just bring out the acetone if you have to, but most of the time this overspray will come off with just alcohol. Now we're ready for a decal as well at this point. So I created this decal with the little anchor. It's so cute. This is the Tech Wrap like textured champagne gold vinyl, and I'm putting it on just the slightest bit of an angle. I didn't want it to be straight across the cup, but I also didn't want like a harsh diagonal, and I really like the way this looks. It gives a nice soft like curving flow to the cup. After the decal is applied, this cup is now finished. Of course, you're going to do 2 final coats of epoxy. So this cup does have a lot of epoxy on it because of how much like chunky glitter we had to smooth out. So, but it's beautiful. I hope you love this tutorial. See you next time. Bye now.